key is justifying, why him kill Tammy and him figure out, not Tammy, I'm sorry, Savanna. And him figure because him fuck Tammy. He keep on and say Tammy.
Yo, you have some girls, you have to make them know. You tell them, me and you are from Liverpool. Hey, girl, you make me look like turn up. Hey, girl, you make me big old stand up. From 2015, me and you are in a me wallet, money pack it up. In a me safe, money pile up. Buy you one car, and in a walk. Buy you one house, and me buy you one truck, so. Your pussy good, but me not stop. No, me love you, but you run out of love. Me money enough, and you are moved tough. Hey, girl, say you're full of bad luck, truck. Give me the money, take back your fuck. Hey, girl, full of beer, bad luck. Any man you fuck, I go get stuck. Give me the money, take back your fuck, look. You are a girl and you know you pretty. Pussy print out in a panty. You are a girl and I try hide me. Hard girl say you can't blind me. Any man you fuck, I go run out of love. Any man you fuck, I go get stuck. Can't get a visa and they can't get no work. Can't get a visa and they can't get no work. So, all of your man them broke. Y'all, all of your man them a cuff. And, don't say no things. Y'all, all of your man them breaks.
This is a confession video. This is me saying yes, I did kill Savanna Dyer. And the reason behind it was Tammy told me everything, and everything boils back to Savanna mashing up my relationship, and once my relationship mash up, my life is gone. So anyway, I take it I was gonna kill myself anyway. So I hope Tammy is happy now. Savanna, yeah. Everybody, everything they do in life have consequences. This is me making a confession. Yes, I did kill Savanna Dyer. I will no longer be here. So, yes.
What a sad young man. Now, him kill Savanna because him fuck Savanna maybe a flex a certain way. Savanna find out same have a woman. And Savanna tell him woman. Him end up kill Savanna. Now me notice couple things about this. That youth here, you can't tell him a no gangster. You can't tell him probably come from a decent family. But one specific thing about him remind me of a friend I had years ago in another foreign country. When him woman left him, that a my friend when me a talk about now. The woman left him. And the man called me one day and say he want borrow something. Guess what the man want borrow? Me a go to one guess. You know what me I tell you? The man say he want borrow a bazooka. Me say what? A bazooka? And me I say for what? Him say he want go kill him woman. Cause the woman left him. Not only that, the man did a go mad and I didn't even know it. But my other friend knew about it. And the man cooked some curry chicken giveaway. And when we eat the curry chicken, he said the madman cook the food, The curry chicken tastes away. Now when I ask my other brethren, how come him not eat? He must say, yo, see the chicken spoiled. The youth are go mad and go pick up the spoiled chicken from behind the supermarket and come on me yard and cook it give away. A joke.
Alright, so yeah. This is just a video I'm just making here quick. Just to tell you that I really did love you. I didn't want to hurt you whatsoever. I didn't want to hurt anybody around you either, but I was just paranoid and I was real upset that I never really get to talk to you. And I just wanted to talk to you to keep me sane. Because you know the situation I went through and you was the person to keep me sane, you was the person to keep me normal. I just bust out and gone and I just wasn't normal anymore. So this will be the last video you've seen of me. I hope you don't delete it and just discard it and go away. Just hope you listen to it. I really did love you. I really did love you. I really did love you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. I'm sorry that I do what I have to do. I'm sorry that I bring home things. I'm sorry for all that. Sorry for hurting people, and yes, I love you very, 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 very much. Real sorry. You could live your life comfortable now. Love you, Tammy.
Now, this other clip I show the Dear John letter where Ima tell Tammy say, yo, him sorry for cheat on her, him sorry for give her disease cause he must give her gonorrhea. And him sorry about everything. And pretty much Ima said Tammy is the only catty where listen to him and calm him down. Now, I don't want to take this lightly. This case right here is a poster boy with a case of domestic violence. Now, even though the violence wasn't carried out against his partner, he did it to the other girl he's sleeping with. And it really, really, to me, stinks like shit. And it really shows that mental health in the Caribbean should be a #1 priority. Because we see something like this, and one thing I notice, there is no uproar from the women's group in Trinidad. There is nothing. And for me to see a young lady who could have been my daughter laying down like that in her feet like a piece of wood discarded, it really breaks my heart. And me did have to talk about it. 1 minute, let me catch my breath. Now, if you look upon a boy's face, you see the man have a smile, like a smirk. And he is pretty nonchalant about it. You can see that brother, him definitely have a psychopathic analogy about him. Because he is happy that he killed Savanna. And he's also happy that he's gonna kill himself. And he's also happy that Tammy, his girlfriend, who dumped him after him freed Savanna, is gonna move on and live her life. Yo, this guy is total psychopathic. Now, very dangerous guy. I hope the police them catch this dude. And if they don't catch him, I hope he do us a favor and kill himself. And that's how I feel about this. Listen, my name is Countryman.